would you say this in everyday conversation? The next morning she went to see us at the hotel. The next morning she came to see us at the hotel. I'll offer some further elaboration. Come is used for movement toward the speaker or listener. Go is used for movement in other directions. How would this be articulated in spoken English? How do I go to the Holiday Inn? How do I get to the Holiday Inn? What's the genuine way of expressing this? He was lost and didn't know how to go back home. He was lost and didn't know how to get back home. To provide more context, consider this. When you mean arrive, use get to. How would this be articulated in a spoken English? We go the same every day on holiday. We go swimming every day on holiday. Watch the true to life version of this sentence. They've gone for camping on Lento Island. They've gone camping on Lento Island. I'll offer some further elaboration. Go swimming, or sightseeing, or shopping, etc. They've probably gone fishing. How would you word this to fit more natural in English? That evening my boyfriend and I went out to walk. That evening my boyfriend and I went for a walk. Let me shed more light on this matter. Go for a walk, or swim, or jog, etc. Would anyone like to go for a drive? Most English speakers got reaction to this sentence. Without additional qualifications, it will be impossible for me to go ahead in my career. Without additional qualifications, it will be impossible for me to get ahead in my career. I'll provide some further analysis to support this idea. If you are successful in your career, studies, etc., you get ahead, not go ahead.